Hello guys, it's me again. I got the Sargent from Jeff Moss. It's a LB keyway. Here it is, the bitting on the key. Lock does work beautiful. So we don't need keys. For this I will use a special dedicated tension wrench. I made it for this lock. And my short hook, light tension, incredibly light tension. When we start over, I think I overset something. There we go. It took me less time than that off camera. I'll try to zoom out. It didn't quite work. So I will try to get it. Phillips, lock it back on. And get my Phillips screwdriver. I will remove the screws at the back. Sorry for the horrible quality of the video, because the camera is zoomed in a lot. So I will turn it open with the key, and I will get my plug follower. The first time I got a Sargent lock, so all the 6 key pins are in there. They're all there. We'll set that right here. And since I don't get a lot of battery left, I will just dump the uppers. So this one right here goes here, and now then the 6th one. There we go. Sorry, I didn't show you. So all the 6th pin were in here. So thanks you guys for watching, and please stay legal.